Young Living has made it convenient and simple for us to share our personal referral links with friends and family. That way they can get the products that they need and love, and we can earn a great commission in return. Here's how to do it. Log into your account at youngliving.com and then click My Account and Share YL. You'll notice at the top of this page it says Share Young Living, your personal referral link. Take a look at the very end of that link and you'll notice that your member number has already been added to the end of it. This ensures that anybody who uses this link to make a purchase gets properly attributed back to you as the person that referred them. Young Living loves to reward its customers and brand partners for sharing with others and making that connection. And sharing your personal referral link makes it so simple. Simply click here where it says Copy Link, and your referral link is going to be automatically copied to your computer's clipboard so that you can copy and paste it and share it anywhere you'd like. Text messaging, through email, on social media, however is most convenient for you. Now take a look down here where it says Deep Link Generator. This is genius. This is a new feature on the Young Living website that allows you to share a link that goes to a specific product and then continues to link that product to you as the referrer. Let's say you had a friend that was specifically interested in the Thieves Household Cleaner. Rather than sending them your general link, which will take them to the home page, let's send them a deep link that will take them directly to the product they're interested in. Start by navigating to the search field and entering the name of the product they're interested in. Click there and then go up into the website browser and copy out the entire link to that product. Press copy and then go back to the link generator page, the Share YL. So that's under My Account and then Share YL. And then paste that product specific link right here into this field. You'll see right there where it says Thieves Household Cleaner, and your referral number is automatically entered into both the enroller and sponsor fields. Just click Generate Link, and that's going to be your product specific link or your deep link that takes your friend directly to the Thieves Household Cleaner. Now you can just click right here and it'll say link copied, and you are able to copy and paste that just the same way that we did with your referral link earlier. The process works very similarly on a mobile device. You simply have to click on to the left-hand side of the screen and then tap on the link that says Share YL, and that will open up the same link generator page that we saw on the desktop version, and you can copy your link from there. You can also create the deep links by entering in a specific product if you prefer. Then just navigate back to the Share YL page where you can paste that link and share with your friends. Happy sharing!